Good morning, everyone. 9th of January today. It's Friday. It's important day in terms of news, as we have unemployment today. So be mindful about that. Otherwise, we are still here. We are in a bearish area in terms of gamma exposure for the month. Price tagged the call wall at 25,955 and it retraced into bearish territory here inside this week. Now for the day, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we have Asia high here at what level is this? 25,727. That's Asia high, and pretty much London is now in range of Asia. The higher context is on 4 hours. We have this change the state of delivery that was created yesterday, and we have had price go down into this balanced price range and reverse yesterday in the at the end of the New Year session, reverse back into this order block. Now before unemployment, we can just have a vague idea of what's happening here. We see the 25,745 level, the high volume level on the gamma exposure map. Have that marked in. In theory, we are going from internal range liquidity into external range liquidity. In practice, we need to be careful about what's happening here due to being a news day like that. So if we go on a 50-minute chart, what I am looking here for this London session, I am looking for price to go back up towards the Asia high. So this would be the drawn liquidity. For this London session, and I am thinking about this as being a down day. So I am looking for the market to create the high during this session, and then to expand to the downside during New York with news maybe. But for now, as I said, we're looking for price to retrace to Asia high. It could also be the case that news comes out, takes price, it takes liquidity every which way, and then it dumps. We need to wait and see. I'm saying it might dump because for once we are here in bearish gamma territory on the month. On the other hand, there's all this liquidity here. If you look at this with that concept in mind, all this liquidity all the way into this. So we might see a drop. We might see a drop first of all into this imbalance. That fails, it will price will go all the way to the highest negative gamma exposure level here, 25 to 50, and then who knows. But for now, let's wait and see. And as I said, during London, we are looking for price to create a high opposite to the daily direction, to the daily bias, which for me is bearish if we look at the daily as well. So if we look on the daily, my bias would be bearish. We are looking at external range liquidity into internal range liquidity, but if we look here, we have this liquidity here, candle bodies I'm marking. And if we go to a 4-hour chart, you see yesterday price has tapped that, retraced. I'm looking for this to be the draw on liquidity for this session, and then price to come down into this again. Right, so with that in mind, I wish you to trade safe and take care today with all the news. Bye.